Tired of keeping your customers waiting? Let's dive straight into setting up auto-replies on Wati and give them instant answers, boosting satisfaction and saving you time. First, log into your Wati account. Look to the left-hand side of your dashboard. You will find a navigation menu there. From this navigation menu, locate Automation and give it a click. This is where the magic happens, where we will configure our automated responses. Now, find and click the Create Rule button. This starts the process of creating a new auto-reply rule, tailoring it to your specific needs. You'll see several fields here. Start by giving your rule a clear and descriptive name to easily identify its purpose later. For instance, if you're handling fax, you can call it fax auto-reply. Next, enter the trigger keywords. These are the words or phrases that, when typed by a customer, will activate your auto-reply. Separate each keyword with a comma. Examples might include things like pricing, opening hours, or delivery. Now for the core of your auto-reply, craft your reply message. This is the message your customers will automatically receive. Keep it concise, helpful, and personalized. You could include a link to a relevant fact page or offer further assistance. Explore the reply type drop-down to choose the format for your response. You have options for sending text, images, or even documents. This is particularly useful for immediate sharing of price lists, brochures, and more. Once you're happy with your rule name, trigger keywords, and reply message, click the Save button, and that's it. Your auto-reply rule is now live and ready to work for you. Your customers will receive immediate responses, improving their experience and saving you valuable time.